Wow, very nice bittermelon fruit plant. In this video, I will show how to grow bittermelon from seed until harvest. Today, I harvest more than 10 fruit of bittermelon. I like to eat bittermelon recipe. Now I start to prepare the soil and start to germinate the bittermelon seed into the pot soils. I am soaking the seed for 2 hours. Now I start to drop the seed into the soils. Continue to drop many seeds into the soils and cover the soil on the seed to avoid the seed float. Watering well. After 10 days, what happened? After 10 days, the bittermelon seeds grow up with 2 leaves, 4 leaves. Now I start to prepare the pot soils to grow the bittermelon plant into this pot. Here is the bittermelon plant. The old is 2 weeks old. Now it's time to transplant on the ground or pot. I dig and break into 2 parts. In the pot, I grow 1 plant. Continue to grow to all the pot. Bittermelon is easy to grow and have many fruit for my family harvest to cook. Watering well after growing, and the bittermelon plant will grow fast and produce a lot of fruit. After 25 days, my bittermelon have tendril and need the trellis. I start to tie up the string and create to be a vertical trellis. I use the string to tie it up from down to up and from right to left. Certified day later, the male flower are bloom. I will use the male flower to touch on the female flower. and this method is hand pollination. Continue to pollinate the male flower and female flower. After pollination, I use the plastic bag to cover on the fruit to prevention from the fruit fly. Fruit fly always attack on the fruit in my garden. I need to prevent from the fruit fly. I use the plastic bag to cover all the fruit. Look nice. If I don't use the plastic bag to cover on the fruit, all the fruit are spoiled, cannot harvest for cooking.